Good morning, this is Thursday the 27th of November and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Overnight the Dow Jones added 0.07% to 17,827.75. Nasdaq gained 0.61% to 47,87.32. And the S&P also closed up at 0.28% to 2072.83. Unemployment claims and core durable goods orders did miss expectations on Wednesday. However, confidence did remain in a firming job market. This was coupled with muddled housing data that led to futures closing, of course, relatively flat. FX, the yen gained 0.3% to 117.36 to the dollar, adding to a two-day 0.5% advance after essentially traders could be adjusting their end-of-month positions. Australia's dollar rose for a second day as the Statistics Bureau said private capital expenditure increased 0.2% in the third quarter. The Aussie gained 0.5% to 85.92. The New Zealand dollar also rose 0.5% to 79.15. Commodities now, of course, a massive day with the OPEC conference throughout the day. Brent crude has fallen to a 4-year low under 76.30 a barrel on Thursday as it became increasingly unlikely that OPEC would cut outputs in support of prices. Ali Al-Naimi, the Saudi Arabian oil minister, said that OPEC Gulf oil producers have reached a consensus not to cut oil output. The current price slide in oil is having a serious impact on oil-producing countries. The Russian ruble has lost 27% and the Norwegian krone is down 12% since mid-June. On top of that, companies are also being hit. We're having BP shares down 17% and Chevron's down 11% also since mid-June. Further afield, looking at banks including Barclays and Wells Fargo, both potentially facing heavy losses on an $850 million loan made to two oil and gas companies. This meeting is all day on Thursday from 10 a.m. in Vienna with the conference at 3 o'clock. That conference is going to be a key event of 2014 for oil traders. Equities now, Royal Bank of Scotland, Italy's Intesa Sanpaolo, a retail bank, is interested in growing in countries such as Britain. Coots has been cited as a possibility. RBS is trading at 387.71, flat on the day. Data today, of course, we have the OPEC meetings. Then we have 11:30. We have Draghi actually speaking on European economic outlook. This is a seminar organised by the Bank of Finland in Helsinki. It will be interesting to see, if he does remain dovish with his comments. On top of this, it is, of course, Thanksgiving in the States, so no data coming out of the States today. The volumes may be relatively light too this afternoon. Looking at the open, UK, the FTSE at 67.35, the DAX at 99.45 and the CAC at 43.90. All the best, have a good Thanksgiving.